How to turn on encrypted messaging on iPhone. To begin, open the Settings application on your iPhone. From here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your apps on your phone over here. Scroll down and tap on Messages to open messaging preferences. Over here, scroll down and tap on the iMessage switch to turn it on. iMessage uses wireless data to send messages between Apple devices. This keeps chats in iMessage whenever available, using end-to-end encryption. This way, you can enhance your privacy and your overall experience with the device. Keep in mind that this applies only when you're messaging another iPhone user. Following these steps, you can easily turn on encrypted messaging on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.